In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the Shortlinks feature in SMS-iT. So on the left-hand side, you'll scroll down and of course you'll click on Smart Tools. Now, the first question is, when would you use a short link? Well, let's say you have created a beautiful mobile coupon and you notice that this is a pretty doggone long link. So let's copy that link. Now, on the left-hand side, when we scroll down, let's click on Short Links. Short links will help you be able to put a shorter link in your text message responses. So instead of one of these long links, it'll shorten it like this. And here's how easy it is to make one. Mouse over the Actions button, click Add Short Link URL, name it something, then paste your long link right here. Hit Save, and now you'll notice that the tutorial short link has been created. It's this very short one compared to the long one. If you want to view it, you simply click on it, and then you can see what your short link looks like. And that's how easy it is to create amazing short links in SMS-iT.